In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Chrome error code 523 quickly and safely. This error usually happens when there's a connection problem between the website server and Cloudflare, so we'll go through the most effective fixes step by step. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and refresh the web page. You can click the refresh button at the top of the browser or simply press F5 on your keyboard. Sometimes a temporary loading issue is all that's causing the error, and a quick refresh is enough to reconnect the page properly. If the error still appears, don't worry, because there are a few more things we can try. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected properly and that your internet is actually working. A quick way to test this is to open another website and see if it loads normally. If other sites are also slow or not opening, then the issue may be with your connection rather than Chrome itself. Poor internet can definitely trigger connection errors like this. If your internet seems unstable, the next step is to restart your router. Turn off your Wi-Fi router and modem, then wait about 30 seconds before turning them back on. This gives your network a fresh start and can often clear up temporary connection problems. Once everything powers back on, try reloading the website again and see if the error is gone. Now let's clear Chrome's cache and cookies. This is one of the most useful fixes when a website is not loading properly. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. A clear browsing data window will appear. Make sure to select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then click Clear Data. Corrupted cache files can sometimes cause browser loading issues, so this step helps Chrome start fresh. After that, check whether you're using a VPN or proxy. If you are, turn it off temporarily and try the site again. Some VPN or proxy connections can trigger Cloudflare errors, including error code 523, because the website may not be able to verify the connection properly. Disabling it for a moment can help you confirm whether that is the cause. Finally, restart Google Chrome completely. Close the browser fully, not just the current tab, and then open Chrome again. This refreshes browser connections and can clear minor session issues that may be causing the problem. Once Chrome reopens, go back to the website and test it one more time. By now, one of these fixes should have resolved the Chrome error code 523. If the website is still not working, the issue may be on the website's server side, and in that case, you may need to wait and try again later. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.